Assalamu alaikum children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, today I am going to introduce you a new sound A. This is sound A. A is down, turn, go up and come down. A is down, turn, go up and come down. This is sound A. A. Okay, kids. Now I am going to tell you about the vocabulary of sound A. This is sound A. A. A unhappy. A unhappy. A under. A under. A unzip. A unzip. A umbrella. A umbrella. A up. A up. A uncle. A uncle. This is sound A. A unhappy. A under. A unzip. A umbrella. A up. A uncle. This is sound A. Okay, children, this is your new phonic language series, book 2. Now open at page number 54. First, we will read the sound A and color the vocabulary of sound A. A umbrella, a empire, a umbrella and a umpire. Okay, children, you will complete this page at home. Okay, children, now open at page number 57. Children, in this page, we will write the sound A. A is down, turn, go up and come down. A is down, turn, go up and come down. This is sound A. A. A is down, turn, go up and come down. This is sound A. Children, you will read the sound A and write by yourself and color the all vocabulary of sound A. A umbrella, a umpire, a up, a up. Okay, children, you will complete these 2 pages at home in the guidance of your parents. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.